Whoa! Here's my 2 cents. Take it with a grain of salt. I'm trying to record. Is that okay if I do that? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Saltiest channel on YouTube. Today I am unboxing something very exciting. I don't like to spend money on dumb shit, especially when I have perfectly good dumb shit. But my new puppy, not the big one that you just saw, decided to snack on my cable for my headphones. So, now that those are complete trash, we have something very exciting. So, without further ado, let's get started. I'd like to say that I'm somehow qualified to make these reviews, but I'm not. That actually doesn't smell good at all. So yeah. I don't really like to spend money a lot, especially on shit that I don't need. So, while this video is about to go up, you can cop the exact same deal that I got on these bad boys. 60 bucks, 40% off. These are the Corsair HS70 wireless. I'll give you 5 guesses why I got wireless this time. It's like God spelled backwards. Anyways, another reason why to get these, or why I got these, excuse me, is because I have a PlayStation. I've been wanting a headset for them, or for that PlayStation. And I really didn't want to have to buy 2. This one was on sale, wireless. On sale, wireless. And doubly compatible. Look at that bad boy. We have instructions that I will never use. Instructions that I will never use. And ASMR baby. ASMR baby. Oh yeah. You gonna chew these ones? Do you want to chew these ones? Are you gonna eat these ones too? Are you sure? You promise? Why did I pick these? I looked up some reviews and everybody thought that these were good for wireless headphones. The reason why I wanted wireless headphones was because I don't want my dog chewing on this shit again and me having to spend a lot more money. Everyone said that the Corsair HS70 was the best the best performance you could get for under $100 or at $100. Anywhere that you're gonna beat this markedly is gonna cost you a lot more than $100. So the fact that these are currently on sale, I will put a link in the description for you. You have to get the white ones. You can't get the sick carbon ones, but beggars can't be choosers. 60 bucks. All right, 40% off right now. So I'll put the link down in the description. So I hope if you're seeing this, the deal is still going. You know how Amazon is; their deals are kind of random. But let's figure this out. How do those ASMR people do it so nice? Oh, it would have helped if I took the cables out, huh? These are pretty nice. All right. We got left and right. Let's take some of this packaging off. Alrighty. Alright, so initially the fit is pretty comfortable. Anyone who wears headsets, you know, especially over-the-ear headphones or headsets, whichever you want to call them, knows that if it's not comfortable, you'll figure it out within, 30 minutes of wearing it. So they feel nice. They're very solid construction. What I like is that these are leather, quote-unquote. So when I put these on my sweaty ass, it's not going to absorb and smell nasty in the fabric. I'm gonna set those bad boys. Can I do this all super cool like I know what the hell I'm doing? Cool, there we go. Let's see what else we got. This packaging is so baller. Look at this. All the cabling and everything is inside. So let's see what we got here. So we have the USB dongle. Such a funny name, dongle. Probably makes people uncomfortable, like moist. So you run around saying moist dongle. So let's see how easy this is. We'll just go straight up with it. Huh? Bam. Okay. So sorry. That's how easy they are. Apparently, all you have to do is plug them bitches in. The USB dongle picked them up immediately, and the computer set my Rode microphone as secondary to the headset microphone, which is hilarious because I didn't expect that to happen. So, anyways, let's see what we got. This looks like a charging cable, so that's cool. What I will do here is probably use the USB port on my power bar back here to go ahead and charge those. You could buy like this cool stand that comes with them, but it was like a lot of money, so I said no. Now this is probably one of the cooler features in my opinion about this or these headphones, is that the microphone is completely removable. So this will be how I use it for the PlayStation. And when I'm streaming, I will leave it here so that I can use my nice Rode microphone. So yeah, let's actually, can I? Set up and ready to go, huh? Why can't I hear anything? Well, it's probably just a simple connect the dongle to these guys, but I'll figure that out. And I will not read those damn instructions.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Alrighty, you guys, so I'm Salty Pennies. This is my new headset. I can't wait to start streaming and gaming with these bad boys. I'm so happy to have something wireless and to get something at such an incredible deal. So if you want these, check the link in the description below so you can capitalize on Amazon giving away shit for 40% off. So, if you like the merch and you want some, hit me up on the subreddit, hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, leave a comment down below. We'll figure it out. I'll get one sent to you. Cop the merch, support the channel, and don't forget, stay salty. Deuces.